Hi kids, welcome back to Edible. I hope you all are doing good and your day was super duper great. So in the last video, we have completed our topic now, including the types of noun as well. So today we are going to move a step forward in our grammar portion, our grammar topics, and we are going to move from types of nouns to pronouns. Yes, you heard correct. Today we are going to learn what are pronouns. In this video, we are going to do the introduction of pronouns. Okay? See, there are some sentences on the board behind, right? So, can you please read the sentences? Yes. Richard is a boy. Here, what we have said, Richard is a boy. Richard, Sally, and Tom are playing. Richard likes to eat sandwich. Richard is a good boy, right? So anything you can see over here that is repeating again and again. Yes, the boy, yeah, the name of the boy, Richard, right? The name Richard is repeating and again, and that doesn't sound good, right? Again, and Richard is a boy, Richard, Sally, Tom are playing Richard, again and again, that doesn't sound good. Here, once it is fine, that Richard is a boy, once that's good, right? But again and again, the same thing, that doesn't sound good, right? So here we can say that Richard is the word noun. Right, kids? Okay. So Richard is the name of someone, right? So that is a noun. Here, the one word, the one thing, one word is going to replace the name Richard from the sentence. Let's say in the second sentence, Richard, Sally, and Tom. So we are talking about three persons together. So instead of saying their names one by one, we can just say they are playing. See how shortened the sentence being, right? They are playing. So the word they have replaced the noun, right? The word they replaced the noun that was Richard, Tom, and Sally. So the word they have replaced it, right? Okay, let's see the next sentence. Richard likes to eat sandwich. So here we are just talking about Richard, not talking about any other person. So we just have to write he. Richard is a boy. We are thinking Richard is a boy, right? So we can say he likes to eat sandwich. The word he over here, we have replaced it with the name, the noun, Richard. So the word is the pronoun over here. So any word that replaces the noun, let's say here also we are going to use he. Yeah. So the word which it takes place of noun, we call those words as pronouns. Let's see some more examples and see what are pronouns in those sentences. So now, kids, we are going to learn about three pronouns today. We can say these are the subject pronouns. So we are going to learn three pronouns. That is, one is he, other is she, the last is it. So we are going to learn about these three pronouns today. Whenever there is a he, we use it for a boy or a man, right? Whenever there is a she, we use it for a girl or a woman, right? Yes. Whenever there is an it, Whenever there is an it, we use it for anything and animal. Okay? Like anything which is non-living, we use for a thing. So we use the word it for anything or an animal. Okay? So let's take some examples. So whenever there is a boy called, let's say Richard, let's take the same example. We are going to use the pronoun he for Richard, right? We are going to use the pronoun he for Richard. Let's say there was a girl called Sally, right? So if we are talking solely about Sally, so there will be a she because Sally is a girl. Let's take one more example. Let's say about teddy bear. So teddy bear is a thing, right? So we are going to use it for the teddy bear. Now let's take one more example, a duck. Duck, right? So we are going to use it for duck also because duck is an animal. You got that? Okay. So now we know that with whom we use he, whom we use she, and whom we use it for, right? So now we know that what is pronouns. Let's have a look on the definition of pronouns with me together. Okay. So let's learn the definition for the topic pronouns as we always do for the noun. Okay, so any word that takes place of the noun in the sentence, we call that words, those words, pronouns. Got that? Okay. So any of those words which take place in nouns in the sentence, we call them a pronoun. Okay, kids? Let us take some more examples of pronouns. Okay? So here are the examples of the pronoun. First, I will be writing a normal sentence with the noun in it, and then we are going to modify it with the pronoun. Okay? Let's say Ria is going to the market. Okay? Ria is going to the market. So the word Ria is a pronoun, is a noun here, and the word, since she's a girl, we can say, right? So we are going to use he for the noun Ria. So what can be the modified sentence? Now instead of Ria, just see he. He is going to the market. Instead of Ria is going to the market, we can say he is going to the market. Right? Very nice. Okay, let's take one more example. Tom is a good boy. So Tom here is the name of some boy, which is a noun over here, and we are going to replace the noun with the pronoun for boys or for men. What we have learned, we use he. So the pronoun he is going to get replaced with the noun Tom, and the new modified sentence will be he is a good boy. So any words which takes place of the nouns in the sentence, we call those words as pronouns. We use he for boys or men. We use he for women or girls. We use it for think and done. Okay, so that's it for the introduction of the pronouns. We are going to learn more about pronouns in the next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my dear brother. Have a good day. Bye bye.